Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program tutorial. Today in this video, I will show you how to join YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program and what eligibility you need to actually have in order to join the affiliate program. Now, if you want more videos just like this, definitely check out our channel because we cover a wide variety of topics on our channel every single day. Now, how can you actually join the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program? So first of all, let's cover the eligibility requirements right here. So as you can see, to be invited to the program, so as you can see, it says to be invited to the program. So they're actually inviting you to the program. You cannot actually directly join. Your channel must be in YouTube Partner Program. Not just that, but your channel must have more than 20,000 subscribers. You need to be based in the United States. Your channel should not be a music channel or official artist channel or anything associated with music or Vevo like you see right here. And your channel's audience isn't set as made for kids. So make sure if you have all of these requirements that you will be able to join. And the last requirements is your channel does not have any community guideline strikes. Now, obviously, they are targeting channels with 20,000 subscribers or more because that is an established audience and, people are more likely to purchase from you and you can incorporate your products more likely on those type of channels. So how can you actually join? So as you can see, once you have qualified to join the program, you can sign up in the YouTube Studio. So sign to the YouTube Studio, tap the earn button, and then from there, if you're eligible, a section for the affiliate program should be present. You need to select get started, and then at the bottom of the screen you can click turn on. This is just like turning on your monetization, and then all you have to do is review and accept the YouTube affiliate program terms of service, and you will be in pretty much right away. But as you can see, they will also be able to invite you. As you can see, to be invited in the program, you must meet these requirements. So if you meet these requirements and if you don't have this in your monetization, now what I would suggest is I would suggest you to wait a little bit more. So hopefully this video helps you out, guys, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.